Okay, we're gonna do the MSX emulator. So we're just gonna go ahead and click on. It's called BlueMSX. Alright, we're just gonna. You got all kinds of MSX freaking options here. We're just gonna go to MSX2. We're gonna go to Action. And let's just find some Metal Gear. Okay, and then you just press A. And you just press A again. Now at this point, you just turn your remote sideways because the buttons are set to run sideways. And then you just press the start button, the plus on the remote. And there you go. Now if you want to exit out of here, you just hit the home button. And here you go, you got your options if you want to load a save state, if you want to save a save state. And so that's pretty self-explanatory. So we just save the state. Now if you click on load state, it'll bring up all your different ones. So you can pick which one you want to load from wherever. So we can click on that. You got to hit the A button. I know your remote's still sideways. For some odd reason, it still wants you to press the A button and not the 2. So just press the A button. And boom, it'll load your save state. Alright, then you can just play on. Now if you press the home button again, then we can go on down to quit. Okay, and it'll bring you back to the menu. Now if you want to go back, you have to press the home button. So you press the home button, and if you press it again, you can go back again, and it'll bring you back to the main menu. If you press home again, then this is how you can exit. You click yes or no if you want to exit. And that's pretty much all there is to it.